Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Wow, what a market. Santa Rally. Where is Santa Claus? Where is the Santa Rally? It keeps on going down, but it's about surviving. It's about finding those bargains. It's about trading, scalping, doing whatever you can to survive and lower your averages, improve your positions over and over again. So that's what we're doing right now. Look, this is my portfolio today. 36,589, just gone down again, another 5% today. It's just every day is just getting worse and worse. But we're still here, we're still in the game, and we are holding on. Okay, so let's get straight into our trades and look where we are right now. This is where we are right now, 5.4% today. I've just bought some Amazon at an all-time low. So for me anyway, subscribe, ring the bell. Now I know Amazon is expensive. I'm fully aware that Amazon's expensive, but you're not going to get Amazon cheap, okay? It's a great, great company. It's not going to keep going down to where it was 5 years ago. If you want to get it there, you've got no chance. Okay, this is my portfolio. This is where we are right now. Let's go through. The S&P is down 2.5% today. I'm trying to buy it at 330. We're going to bounce at some point. When's that bottom coming? We thought it was a week or so ago, but no, it keeps on going down. So there we go. There's the S&P 500 right now. Rio Tinto, a great, great investment. This one, if you want dividends, that is. I've made my profits on this. I'm up 28%. I've sold out. I've got just one share, a market share left in there. Looking to buy it when it goes down again. It's great for the dividend. It pays like a 12 or 13% dividend. So that's good, but very difficult. Virgin Galactic now, 378. I've got 2,300 shares now. Keep massing more shares of Virgin Galactic. The only reason why this is going down is the general markets are selling high-risk stocks. They'll sell first, and then the defensive pick it all up. You can see Coca-Cola hardly down at all. McDonald's hardly down at all. J&J down 0.85, slightly more, but generally speaking, the money's going there. Google, we're trying to buy it at, I think 87 is my new all-time low. Yep. Oh, 83. No, 83 is my all-time low. Buy it there. Amazon. I've now got Amazon for under 85. That was my target. I'm 18% down on Amazon, but it makes up 6.87% of my portfolio. Very, very nice indeed, but we are just dropping all the time. Tesla. We bought some, we sold some today. We've been in and out trying to improve our positions. It's getting more and more difficult all the time, but we're surviving, we're staying in the game, and we are just holding on for better times, lowering our averages all the time. Let's see who is here. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here. We've got a Christmas advent calendar just been released. Have you signed the Christmas calendar? Seb Dean it's in the chat. There you go. This is for those of you that haven't signed the Christmas calendar. Every day in the morning before the market opens, there's my advent calendar in the chat. I'll give it to you again. Go and leave your comment there and I'll share it on the screen. And tonight's music premiere is Let It Snow, Dean Martin. I'm singing that one tonight. There it is. Premiere straight after the closing bell in an hour from now. There is the premiere. I'll give it to you again so you can see it. There you go. All right, so Seb Dean says, big day. It is indeed. Only another 20 to 30% decline, and we can start rebuilding portfolios. I'm not waiting for the bottom. I'm not doing that. I'm not playing it like market profit. I'm constantly scalping on the way down. I've done about 20 trades today. Many of those before I went on air today. Made some money, sold my positions, bought back in, made a little bit of money, bought back in again. Just keep going down. I plan on getting back late next year or when the Fed pivots. If you survive this far, you can survive another 9 to 18 months. Indeed, that is the idea. There's a good chance space won't be able to make it through the coming recession. I don't see that at all. I don't see that happening. Willow, hi everyone, says Stephen Lewandowski. there's too much nonsense going on online. People talking nonsense about Virgin Galactic's. There's no evidence to suggest failure. No evidence to suggest that they are cancelling. They're delaying. Nothing. But plenty of people are saying stuff that isn't true or based on any knowledge or any facts whatsoever. I am constantly researching, and I don't see any evidence of that at all. Anyway, congratulations on your gold badge. Yep. I've got a gold badge. Can you see that? I've got a gold badge in the chat. Can you see it? Up near the top. Because I was the first person to follow me. So it's been 12 months now. So we'll see who the first person is. It could be Bill Musanella. I've got a gold badge, which means 1 year today we've had memberships. And I was obviously a member on day one. So there we go. Yes, Mario Ortiz is just saying, all these losers saying about Virgin Galactic is just clickbait. They're all trolls trying to make numbers of themselves, trying to make numbers for themselves. Just like you say, absolutely true. I'm not concerned or paying no attention. It's just an opportunity for me to buy more and more stocks at cheaper prices. And what price would Virgin Galactic be in trouble? It's not, the price has not got nothing to do with it. The price has nothing to do with it, the value of the company at all. All they've got to do is fly and everybody will buy in again. But I've got no time for people. It's like same with Tesla. Tesla is a good business. And everyone's now saying Tesla's going to $60. It's the same thing. I'm not concerned either. I bought some more Tesla today. 140, I think it went down to 146 down here somewhere. I'm holding all my positions, not selling anything. Just scalp selling now, scalp trading. That's all I am doing to try to then lower my average, make a little bit of profit. I mean, if Virgin Galactic now just pops up as we close the day, look down 8%. I'm about to buy some more at $3.50. If it goes up to $4 again, I will sell the ones I buy at $3.50. Absolutely right. Then I just stay the same amount shares. I want to trim back. I've got too many shares. Let's say I've got 2,300. I want no more than 2,000. So I've got 300 shares to sell to trim off. It's not about being a loser. It's just a fundamental reality on high growth companies. They face serious challenges in high street environments, says Market Profit. Look at Amazon today. Another huge drop, 84. I've been just keep buying it on the way down. Everyone keeps saying, well, why don't you wait to the bottom? No one knows when the bottom is. No one knows. I thought the bottom was in a few weeks ago, and I was wrong. It isn't. Apple, I'm trying to buy it at 130. When it hits 130, I'll buy some. I will then sell it for 120. But I've got everything now is overweighted. So if it does go up, I will just trade some off the top. Okay. Hello, Martin Flames. How are you? Welcome. We're always here. So subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here and give me a thumbs up and I'll bring you into the chat. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Welcome everybody on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever you're watching me, Twitch, wherever you watch me this afternoon. Welcome to all you. The margin will eat you. You keep saying that. You've been saying that for a year now and I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere. What's going on? The Santa rally, it's a Santa anti-rally. It's going the other way. The bottom is in when the Fed pivots. You might miss 5 to 10% on the absolute bottom, but pretty much to catch it. I can't believe that, and I tell you why I say I don't believe that Market Profit is because people with greater minds than ours, people with information before we get it, with people that can trade pre-market like 3 o'clock in the morning, when there's some announcement that comes, we will be too late, and I think it will go up a lot faster than 10%, very, very quickly. So I want to be in. I want to be fully invested in because I'm investing, not jumping on bandwagons. I believe in investing in companies and sticking the course and going through the hard times. That's what I am doing, and I'll continue to do that. Anyway, Virgin Galactic now down 8%, 878. 878. 8% today. Big drop again. Look at the March 2020 crash. As soon as the Fed announced support, it went up, and it continued going up for 18 months straight. There you go. How old are you? You don't have to answer. I'm more than happy to answer. I'm 53 years old. Yeah, I'm 53 years old. Anyway, let me go and check today's Advent calendar. If you've not yet signed the Advent calendar, here it is. If you'd like to be part of that, we do it every single day. I'm waiting to see if Bill is in today, if he's our first gold member, first gold badge member. I've got my gold badge today. There's the Advent calendar. Let me go and see if anyone's left a message, and I'll share it on the screen. Here we go. Every day we do this. A little gift for you. No one's done it since this morning. Okie dokie. And here is the music premiere tonight. It's Let It Snow, Dean Martin. Hello, Nicky Boy Gaming. Here he is in the channel. Nicky Boy Gaming is one of our gold members. I want to... hasn't got a gold badge yet. It'll take a long time. It takes a year to get the gold badge. I think he's been a member now for a few months anyway. A couple of months at least. I want to help Nicky Boy Gaming today as a thank you for being a gold member for a few months. I'm going to promote him once we get busy and do a little gift for Nicky Boy Gaming. Right. What's being searched across my channel? A lot of people are searching for the video this morning. For those of you that wasn't here this morning, 22, you missed this morning. I sold about $10,000 worth of shares this morning. I shifted a lot of things out, all for profit. Every single one. I sold some Walmart for profit, Virgin Galactic for profit, Tesla for profit. Quite a number of things. About 10 grand's worth of stock was moved this morning. Before I went on air, I put it in my exclusive channel, my subscription service on Discord, and I shared with you when I went live what it was. Yep. I sold some shares of Tesla. I sold Photronics. I sold SPC, Virgin Galactic, on profit on all of them, by the way. Not losses, profit on all of them. And then I bought back, and we're now waiting to sell again. And now I'm going to buy another batch of Virgin Galactic at $3.50 if we get there. Lowering the averages all the time, the cost basis all the time, right? Virgin Galactic, we were green for a moment then. How profit you down? How profit you that? Sorry, Arnold, that makes no sense. I don't know what that means. How can make profit, do you mean? Well, very, very easy. You just lot sell the shares that you want to buy, that you want to sell. I bought shares this morning at 306 and sold at 316. Very, very easy. I bought a 306 and sold at 316. So I made 10 cents a share. Simple. Simple. You just got to make sure that you sell the right shares. That's all. I do have more Tesla. I have 58 shares. I had 61 a couple of hours ago. And I'm waiting to buy more. At what I've got an order placed at 140. Right. Down 5.52, $2,000, 36 grand. Getting more and more shares at lower and lower prices. The prices is not the value of the company, it's just the prices. It's the value that I'm holding, not the value, not the price. I'm trying to buy more S&P 500 at 330. Amazon, new low, yep, and I bought it. I bought the new low. This is my Amazon position. I bought it at 85. We're now 84.69. It's winter time. Lots of full wine singing. Lots full of wine singing Christmas songs. Says Nicky Boy Gaming. Welcome to you. If you've just tuned in, good morning to you. Subscribe, ring the bell, let me know you're here. I've now got more in my buying power. That's I've sold. This is my position. Look, let me share with you in detail my buying power. My buying power is now up to nearly $7,000. It was around about 9 this morning. And so it's gone down since then because I bought some more, ready to sell it. What are you going to do if the market still keeps dropping? I will just buy more. Do you have a backup plan? Constantly evolving, but my principles don't change. I don't sell for losses. I know the bottom's coming. It has to. It's a sheer inevitability. Good afternoon, says Ed Nevius. This is my full portfolio. Ethereum is down 0.55. Let me go back to the main screen. Bitcoin is down 0.82. BSV is up nearly 2%. Enphase Energy. I sold Enphase Energy this morning. Took some profits out of that. Do you trade options? No, I don't trade options. I don't believe in it. Tilray Brands today down 7%. Even bigger drop there today. $200 shares at $3.19. That was my last acquisition. $3.19. Is it low enough? $3. How are you feeling? I have made $5,000 today on my. I'm feeling well, Ali Tisro. Absolutely fine. I sold $10,000 worth of stock this morning, pre-market, before the show started. I sold Enphase. I sold Tesla, Virgin Galactic, all for profits. Bought back lower. My average is now lower. I'm looking at Tilray. I wasn't going to buy any more Tilray, but I could do that and then trim off the top when we get some good news, because it's coming. I sold Photronics. Target. Market profit would be delisted at $1. Let's have a little look. How are you feeling? Is there a price point that you will cut your losses on Virgin Orbit, Space, Tesla, or any large position? Scared to have that much space weighted in your portfolio as it is now a penny? It's been a penny stock since $5. No, because I spend hours and hours a day studying, reading, and all I'm seeing is a load of idiots. And I use the word on purpose, talking nonsense on Reddit and Twitter about Virgin Galactic delays. I've questioned them wherever possible and said, where are you coming from? And every person who says there's delays and puts fear in the market and people sell out because of it, every time I read that information, they have no evidence whatsoever. It's just their answer is, well, there's no good news, is there? So it must be delayed. What an absolutely ridiculous statement that is. So people are shorting. People are saying it's all going to zero because there's no news. I think it's the most ridiculous of statements I have ever heard of my life. Virgin Galactic's responsibility, or anybody else's company, is not to appease keyboard warriors and tweeters and redditors who have nothing to do with the company. They're just idiots at home playing on their computers. They have nothing to do. They've got no interest in that at all. What a waste of time. I want the people at Virgin Galactic, Tesla, wherever, to get on and do what they're doing. I'm not interested in appeasing people who have no education or knowledge whatsoever. Now, I'm not saying that Virgin Galactic cannot go bankrupt. Any company can go bankrupt, but it must be based upon facts, not tweets and Reddit and gossip and nonsense. All that does is allows me to buy more. So, I am carrying on. I'm following the course that I started a year and a half ago. Nothing has changed. I'm just buying more, trade and scalping it, because I've now got overweighted positions on everything. But the reason why my buying power is going up, because I'm making profits from those scalp trades. And eventually, let's say, for example, Virgin Galactic now goes to $3.50. and I buy 300 or 400 shares at $3.50, and then it goes to $4, which it will, I will then sell those shares and basically get a good bundle of cash back out and a good bundle of shares for free, and then buy it at $3. And I just keep doing that. I've still got my 2,000 shares or whatever, but now they're becoming more and more free, if you like. So that's where I am. Sell space, maybe buy back at 2 if you really believe in it. No, I'm not going to sell for a loss. I will sell the shares that I bought today for a profit, which is what I've already done. I'm waiting for the next batch of stocks to be sold for a profit. I would much rather, however, just keep my shares at 378. But unfortunately, nobody else, no one here, hardly anybody here, hardly anybody I speak to has any faith in any stock right now. I don't know anybody who's holding anything. Everyone's just selling everything. Well, I'm selling it and then buying it back lower. That's what I'm doing. I'm not selling it out and running to the hills. I think that is the most ridiculous way to invest. Anyway, did you ever show that jobs data you were talking about last week? Did you ever show that jobs data? I think it was shared on Discord. One of my social media posts somewhere. If you follow me and tick the bell, I'm sure you would have seen it. But yeah, I think it was posted in Discord. Scary times ahead of these high growth companies. TTCF looks like it will get delisted and go into bankruptcy. Nice plan, Martin. Thank you. But my plan works, but my plan requires discipline, structure, hard work, unlimited patience, unlimited time, 100% commitment. That's the only way my plan works. All right? That's the only way my plan works. It takes a lot of perseverance and determination and study and research and knowledge and everything else. And most people don't want that. They either buy and sell out, go off tweets, go off Reddits, personality competition. You know, Elon Musk now doing this poll about resigning from CEO, and it's ridiculous. Anyway, and cash. What about cash? What's the point of having cash? It's all invested. Why would you just hold the cash? Cash doesn't earn money unless it's invested, does it? Market profit. I'm still short on TTCF. I will never short anything. And Ali knows that. I don't short anything. I made the most money ever on that trade. Posted on Discord for everyone. Was short since $17. Congratulations, mate. Selling at a loss doesn't necessarily make you a bad investor. Sometimes the best decisions is to cut losses. I agree with you if you think it's all going to zero, but I don't. I'm probably the only person left investing that thinks everything isn't going to zero. I don't believe that at all. Just remember when Bill Ackman sold Netflix at a $400 million loss in April. Yeah, I'm not selling for a loss unless I think it's all going down the toilet. This close of the year, this close to the new year, I would never short space. Any announcement can happen to send. I agree. Not shorting anything. If he didn't sell, then he would be facing an 800 million loss. Yeah, because it was going down. I am chiseling down all the way down. If I have to do 100 trades a day on Virgin Galactic and make $1 on every trade, I will. If that's what it takes, 100 trades a day and make a $1 profit 100 times over and over again, I will do it. I will do it. I mean, I have no issue with that. I have unlimited patience, unlimited work ethic. I will sit here as long as it takes. I will do whatever's necessary. I will never give up, and I'm going nowhere. Would you buy Coinbase for the right price? I'm thinking of buying 1,000 shares. No, right now, Ali, I wouldn't buy Coinbase at any price. Right now, I wouldn't buy Coinbase at any price. I think there's still too much rinsing out of crypto to be done. I think the trust has completely gone. I think institutions won't touch it with a barge pole. And I can't jump into it at the moment at all. I just cannot do it at the moment at all. What the hell is going on, says SO8N. What's going on is exactly what I've said over and over and over and over again. The stock market is no longer a place for investors. It's a place for people with no faith in the economy, no faith at all in the system, no faith for people for the companies, and it's become the OK corral. Everybody's selling everything. Well, that's fine. Crack on. I can't think like that. I won't think like that. Coinbase seems like the best exchange of the best auditors is with them. It seems like the safest exchange. You may be right, Ali. You may be right, and I'm sure you and I know you know better than I do. But I just cannot. For me, if I want to be involved in a digital bank or have some exposure to crypto, for me it's SoFi, which is why I own SoFi. I know that's not Coinbase or nothing like it, but it's a digital bank, and to me it replaces Market Profit. It's very rare Market Profit gives me a tip. Thank you so much indeed, Market Profit. Cheers, I appreciate it. Have a coffee on me. I will have a coffee on you. At the end of the day, I will most certainly have a coffee on you. Thank you very much indeed. Thank God I got Rio at $50. Rio, great. Hold that at $50. Why would you not hold that at $50? Absolutely right. I've made my profit on Rio. I'm out of it at the moment. I'm holding one share, as you can see on the screen. But I am looking to buy back. Queen mentioned it earlier to me. It's been going down, but if you look at it on the day, it looks like it's had some big drop, but actually, and over the week, 6%. But actually, if you look at it, it's up by 3 months. There's no free Rio Tinto right now. This is not the time to suddenly jump in on Rio Tinto. It's secular. Look, you can notice it goes up and down, but the dividends remain the same. I'm buying it around here. I've got a buy placed at my all-time low, and that's when I'll buy it back. But I'm not buying it yet. Tilray is interesting. I could buy some Tilray today. Oh, hang on a minute. Ali Tisro, please buy a share of Coinbase. This should cover some of it. Okay, let me have a look at Coinbase. Right, okay. I've just been given a tip to buy some Coinbase. So let's do that from Ali Tisro. Let me just look at Rio Tinto, Tilray a second. The 52-week low, 265. I'm going to hold back on it. So Coinbase. Coinbase. Ali Tisro wants me to look at Coinbase. First of all, is it available on Robinhood? Yes, it is. Let's have a look at it. He's given me a super chat to buy Coinbase. It's down 86% this year. No surprise there whatsoever. It's $34. Do I want to spend another $34 to buy it? Not really. But I've been given 50% of the money to buy a share of it. So what I will do is I will buy it with the intention of holding it yeah. Okay. This one share should remind you to buy some at $20. Okay. Let me think. Should I buy it with my Roth IRA? Then I'll get 1% for free from Robinhood. So let me do that then. So I'm going to go into my Roth IRA, and I need to transfer some funds. So I will do that now. Here we go. Deposit funds. What do I need? 30 bucks to my Roth IRA, because I'm going to hold it. I get a 1% match. Okay. Okay. Review. Tax year 22. Transfer some money. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I just got 1% from Robinhood. You can see that's what happened. I transferred $30 and Robinhood gave me 1%. So that's free money. Because if I'm going to buy Coinbase, I'm going to leave it purposely, because Ali Tisro donated 50% of it. Okay. So there we go. And now I can go into Coinbase, and I can buy 1 share of this into my Roth. There we go. And I will set a limit order on it to make sure I get it for the best price. So 35.07, 35. This is 50% paid for by Ali Tisro. Number 1 share expires good for the day. 35.07. Allowed to execute. I won't need to. It will go straight through. 37.11. Review the order. Roth IRA. 35. 16. Let me just do that quickly. Review the order. Buy. Coinbase purchased. There we go. I've just purchased 1 share of Coinbase. That's now in my portfolio. And I did that because I don't understand, church. Why would you laugh? It's 1%. Why on earth would you laugh at 30%? 1%. I do not understand why people laugh because I get 1%. Anyway, 1% of $1 million is a lot, right? 1%. I've done the VORB, Andrew. I've done your VORB. I've done it. Okay, so there we go. Coinbase is now purchased. It's in my portfolio. I have, and I'm up already on it. 0.09%. 0.09%. There you go. And I will hold that. Thanks, Martin. This is the beginning of your crypto journey. We shall see. We shall see. It's in my Roth. I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to hold it because I believe if you're going to buy Coinbase or Bitcoin or any of these things, they are long-time holds until I retire. Period. Simple. This is not something I want to trade. This is something I'm buying at an all-time low, and I'm going to hold it. So there we go. All right. So there is my Coinbase. One day it'll be back at $400. We shall see. We shall see. You're very welcome, Ali. Thank you for the 50%. Well, it was about 35% actually, because there's some money that comes out of YouTube. But nevertheless, I appreciate you doing that. So I felt I would honor that and back that up. Anyway, thank you so much indeed for what you did there. Coinbase. That's now in my system. Right, if you waited a week, Coinbase will probably be $17.99 per share. What's the Roth IRA portfolio looking like? John Crett, I love the Roth IRA. Churchy thinks it's a waste of time that I get 1% for free from Robinhood. Me personally, I do not see that at all as a problem. 1% free money. I mean, he's laughing. He's laughing because I got 30 cents. Well, I only put $30 in. If I'd put $100 in, I'd have got $1. If I'd have put $1,000 in, I'd have got $10. Why is that a bad thing? Why is that a bad thing? Don't see it myself. Market profit. Are you on Discord? Says Churchy. Hi and good evening, everyone. Would love to chat with you off YouTube. I think he's talking to Market Profit. Don't forget, I've done that. Thanks, Martin. One day, let's read all his comments. The Roth IRA, free money is free money. I agree. Hello, why is space falling so much? I have answered this question so many times today. It's incredible, and I don't mean that disrespectfully. Happy to answer it again, because everybody, I've never seen so much rubbish online. So much rubbish online. Twitter, Reddit, everyone is dumping everything. Everyone's accusing Elon Musk of destroying Tesla. I think he should get off Twitter. I've said it. I've made videos on it. But this whole poll to do with should he step down. People are now shorting Virgin Galactic, saying it's going to zero, making up stories. Fine. Doesn't bother me. You carry on. Carry on doing it. Doesn't bother me, because when I've challenged it and questioned it, it's based upon no knowledge whatsoever. It's just the answer I get over and over again is, well, they've not released any information, so it must be delayed. Oh my God. How lack of knowledge and intelligence do you have? The fact that you think Virgin Galactic is going bankrupt, which it could do. I'm not saying it can't, but Virgin Galactic is going bankrupt because they haven't told you what they're doing. I mean, has Apple told you what it's doing today? Has Microsoft rung you up today and made a little post and said, hey, this is what we're doing? No. But for some reason, Virgin Galactic hasn't reported to you. So let's go on our keyboards and say it's going to zero. Well, good. Good, because I've been scalping it all the way down and I'll continue to do so. I'm going to post something different on Discord. Can I come on Green Room and explain how to turn 10 grand into 400,000? Well, I think that sounds pretty good to me. Ali Tisro, I will open up the Discord. Give me 5 minutes before I'll come back to you, but I will open up the broadcast lounge. You are always welcome, a welcome guest always. But I won't talk to you just for a couple of minutes because I'm going to be busy for a few minutes, but the broadcast lounge is open. You are very welcome. Right, let's see who's in the chat right now. We've had nearly 100 people come through the show in the first 30 minutes. We're getting a lot of people coming on the show right now. Right, I will not run a commercial break if I get 40 likes. In 1 minute, there are 40 people watching and only 11 likes. If we get 40 likes in 1 minute, I will not run a commercial break. Are you ready? Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Let's do it. Smash the like button. There are 40 people watching. If we get 40 likes, I will not run a commercial break in the next minute. Here we go. Let me share with you on the screen. Look. There are 40. We've just moved to 38. Right. There are only 18 likes. Smash the like button and I will not go to a commercial break. There we go. We've got 20 minutes to go before the bell goes and 19 likes now. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. I said, chicky, 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 pow, pow. John Crett for Orbit. I'm still here and I agree with you. All they're doing is driving the price down for us to buy more and get richer in the long run. Yep. 20 likes. We need 20 more likes in 14 seconds. There are 40 people watching. And if you smash the like button, I will not run a commercial break. You've got the time to do it. Is it going to happen? 21? Doesn't look like you're going to do it. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, you had the chance. So we're going to go to a quick commercial break. Just 10 seconds. That's all it is. You might see an ad. You might not. But anyway, SoFi is down. Look at today. Going down and down and down and down and down. Every single thing is being sold. This is not investing, folks. Who thinks this is investing? Who thinks this is investing? Nothing about this is investing. This is just, the world has gone mad. Well, that's fine. As I've always said, I invest in companies and I invest on the psychology of human beings behaving with fear, irrationally, and everyone is so angry that everyone just feels the need to tweet and gossip, make up stories, try to get headlines for themselves, try to promote their YouTube channels, and that's fine. Carry on with that. That plays right into my hands. And you can do that until the end of time. In the meantime, I'm going to go to a commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, we're back. Let's read some of these comments. This is why saving money is still important. Saving money is investing it. That's what saving money is. That's what I think a lot of people have forgotten. Investing is saving money. Putting money in the bank is investing because you earn money from the bank. Saving money doesn't mean just locking it up and burying it in the ground. I want my money to work for me, so I'm investing it. Things getting sold off is part of the game. It is indeed. It is indeed. It is part of the game. Right, let's go through and see what I need to do now. Down 6% again today. Let's see what I want to sell. I'm in the green room when ready. Okay, Ali Tisro. Lovely stuff. Thank you so much indeed. We've got a guest on our show. If you've just tuned in, we've got Ali Tisro, who has... by the way, guys, if you notice that my badge... Martyn Lucas badge has turned gold today. Here is the gold colour. If I say hi, so who's going to be the next person to get a gold badge? Look, if I comment in the chat, you will see my badge is gold. There you go. 1 year today we started the membership program. So who will follow me? Who will be the next person to have who's been a member for a year? Go in your super chat. You might have a free one to commemorate the 1 year. Let's see who's going to join me with the gold badge. And the next colour is red, the YouTube red. This market doesn't believe in God or hope. This market doesn't believe in anything, churchy. This market doesn't believe in itself. The investors don't believe in themselves. And that's what we've got now. We've got a world of, I don't know, people with very limited knowledge, very limited. It's all about anger and fear and stress and drama and silliness, basically. But imagine if you hadn't invested all that cash in the bank, now ready to invest. No point trying to fight the market. I'm not fighting anything. I'm just having infinite patience, infinite amount of discipline, and infinite amount of time to invest, because at the end of the day, I'm running a YouTube show, which is about a community together live every day, and I don't need to retire for the next 10 years. So I just keep buying the dips. And that's it, and I'll keep doing it, and I'll keep scalping it on the way down. Right, where are the losses coming from now? Let's see what Tesla are doing. Nothing there. Something is dropping again, because I'm down big now again. Welcome to the new state of the world, Martin. Nothing makes sense anymore. Well, it makes sense because it doesn't make sense. If you understand people, which I believe I do, then that's what I'm investing in. The companies and understanding how people are reacting. And that to me makes perfect sense. Because here it is right on the screen. One minute you've got a great business. Next minute it's a load of rubbish. So carry on going. Tilray Brands, that's probably where the money's going at the minute. I don't know. Is it worth buying something here? $2.97. No, I don't feel right about it. I don't feel right about buying Tilray, even though I'm down 13% and it would lower my average. I don't feel right about doing it just yet. We're going to bring Ali Tisro into the show in a few moments, so stand by for that. Target, Walmart, IonQ. I've got buys all across the board, by the way. Limit buys placed everywhere for all-time lows. I sold my Meta. I made profit on that. I will buy it back when it goes down to 80 something. And I say 80 something. I think it's 87. Google, great value. J&J going up. Coca-Cola going up. Defensive stocks now taking the money. You need those in your portfolio. Amazon. I bought some more Amazon today at 85. Can't wait to hear about Ali portfolio. He always seems to be right. JS. Yes. It's a very good guest of our show. I'm bringing him in now, actually. I'm just going to go finalize here. Virgin Orbit 169. Virgin Galactic. I'm waiting to buy at 350. That reminds me when I was working on Wall Street 2018 and everyone looking desperate and holding on dear life with nothing left to fall back on. Well, then they never managed their portfolios correctly, did they? We all start the same. Percentages is what it's all about. Everyone has the same opportunities as everybody else. If you've only got $5 and that's all you have, then invest it the same way as a man with $1 million. And Churchy, you kind of... a few moments ago when you said 1%, you laughed at it like it doesn't matter. Anyway, don't understand that. So let's go into the broadcast lounge now. I'm going to bring Ali Tisro into the show. And Ali's now unmuted. So let's welcome onto the show this afternoon one of our star guests, a regular here on the show. If you've not been here before, Ali Tisro is very much into the crypto side of the things, XRP particularly. Very technical, does a lot of charts for us, and a great contributor to the show. Ali Tisro, welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. How are you?
Hello, Martyn. I'm doing well. And yourself?
I am all right. I feel a lot better this morning. I went to bed last night late, went through a lot of my individual stocks, spent time researching again the fundamentals, what's going on, what's the latest news from the companies, not from Reddit or Twitter, with what's going on there, where they're likely to be in a year from now. And this morning, about 5 o'clock this morning, I placed about $10,000 worth of trades that exercised at 1 minute past 6. They were all profitable. And then when the market opened, I bought some of them back at lower prices. So I feel better. My portfolio is stronger. Even though I'm down, I've got more shares at lower prices and there's some profit built in. So I feel good. Even though we're just losing money like it's going out of fashion, we are preparing for the future. So Ali, what's going on with you?
Not much. I'm doing a bit of the same, cutting profits on profitable assets and buying back low on others.
That's it.
I'm still mainly cash since a year ago, with the exception of XRP and a couple of trades I've been doing shorts, even though I know you don't like the shorting, which I can completely understand.
I love when people do it though, because eventually, shorters get squeezed. As long as you're not in it you're out of it before that happens. I just wait for that. I can't wait for all the shorters who are going to get squeezed at any moment on SPCE. But I don't want anyone to lose any money though.
Yeah, exactly. I've mainly come on today to explain something I've been working on, which is a £10,000 to £400,000 portfolio. So wow, I know it sounds crazy. It's doable. It's I've done the calculations. I've simulated it, and it's doable. And the reason I've come out with it now is because finally there are some tokens that are in the buy ranges. So if I can ask you to go on the Discord and pull up the screenshot of my Google Sheets I've put on Ali Tisro tips, and then I can maybe spend a couple minutes going through that and explain it to everybody.
Please do. Before I share it and before we discuss this, obviously you're going to give some insight now, and you've done a chart. I'm already looking at it. How, at the end of the day, with the greatest mind and the greatest skills and the greatest experience, you could come up with a chart. How can you be so sure that this is more likely? Because nothing's guaranteed, of course. How can you be so sure that this is likely or more likely to come off? How do you know? Because obviously you don't have a crystal ball, do you? Like neither does anybody else. But how can you be so confident? Because at the end of the day, with crypto, you're relying on people buying these assets, right? Am I right?
Yeah, exactly.
So how can you be sure that's going to happen? Or what makes you think that's going to
Well,
happen?
I've been studying the crypto markets since 2017, 2018 is when I made my first Bitcoin investment. Quite high actually. I bought Bitcoin at 17,000. It crashed all the way down to 4. But I've been studying the markets. I've been studying the 4-year cycle, and it always plays out since the inception of Bitcoin. Every 4 years,
Okay.
we have people buying the asset. We have people throwing their money into it. We have the hype that forms around it, and then we have our blow off top. And then it all happens again. We drop 80%, we drop 90%, we drop 95%, 99%, and 4 years later, after the Bitcoin halving, everything everything skyrockets. And
Okay. Okay.
luckily in 2020 was part of it, and now it's coming back to bear market.
Okay.
I've been calling for a bear market for a year now, and I think it's a sensible time to start planning a portfolio, because you want to be buying when it's low, not when it's
Of
everyone
course.
suggests that,
Absolutely.
or all the
So just so I
telling.
can be
Yeah.
clear to people who are unsure of what you're about to share with us, what you're essentially saying, using your technical analysis, your skillful chart reading, you have looked at what's happened before, and because of what's happened before, you are confident in your mind that this is likely to happen again. Am I correct in that assumption?
Yes, and
Okay.
I'm as confident as ever. The regulation is still not fully here, but we're having regulation talks. We're having cases that are going to set precedent. We are having companies that are investing in it, and in
Okay.
4 years' time, 3 years' time, 2 years' time,
All
it's all
right.
gonna.
Well, talk
I
us through
believe it's
it.
gonna.
Are,
Yes.
are we looking at the right thing first of all?
Let me have a look. Yes. So
Right.
that's the main part. On the left hand, on the first column, we have the live price. But obviously it's a screenshot, so that'll change in time. But for now, it's the right price. That's all the way on the left. And then we have all our tokens that we're going to be buying. There's about 19 odd here. Starting with the first one is XRP, which I've allocated 25% to, and that's mainly because it's something where I believe they're going to win the case, and that will give us some more money to play with. Once they win the case, this could be before the next bull run, that we can take profits from XRP to then diversify into other cryptos. So that's why it's such a big allocation. I believe in XRP. I believe that they're going to win the case. So that in itself is why it's at 25%. Then we go into smaller percentages: ADA, ETH, Doge. Doge, obviously, it's a there's no sort of fundamentals to it, but it's a meme coin, and we're here to make money. Meme coins always fly during bull runs, even maybe before. Elon Musk might tweet saying he's using it, which I think is another possibility. Elon Musk keeps saying he's thinking of a payment system that's going to put PayPal out of business, etc. And I think he's going to be utilizing Doge. So it's not it is a meme coin, but we're here to make money. The rest of these coins are coins that I'm fairly confident in. That I've seen a lot of hype around. I've seen in previous runs. I've seen in this run, and I don't see a reason why 70% of them won't come back and make all-time highs.
Okay.
This is a £10,000 portfolio, but anyone can do it to what
Sure.
money they have. So you can turn £1,000 into 40,000 pounds, for example. On the next column, we've got the buy price. So that's the first price we'll be buying these at. The ones highlighted in green have already at that price or have hit that price. So only 3 out of all of these tokens are ready to buy now, and we're going to be buying it in 3 lots. One basically split between 3, so 33.3% of the cash that you're putting in will be bought at the first buy price. Then there'll be another buy price, and then there'll be a third buy price. The third buy price is not there yet because I haven't allocated it. So those are the prices and the amounts you buy. And if you go on to the next picture I've put on,
Okay.
which is it's just one more post I've put on.
Yeah.
on the left-hand side, for example, XRP, that's the price it will have to hit for us to get that £400,000 at the end, and that's for all of them. The first column that's the price it has to hit, and the one on the right is the all-time highs of these coins. So for most of these coins, it's either 2x away from the all-time high, which, I mean, last bull run we saw most coins surpass their all-time highs and go 10x above. So for most of these coins, it's either at their all-time high, a bit less, or double from their all-time highs. And that's all. So it is realistic. If it hits its all-time highs or doubles from its all-time highs, we will hit this £400,000. Some of these coins, I'm sure, may not come back, and I'm sure some of them will go higher. So averaging around 400,000 is fine. But I understand not everyone's going to wait until the highest price to sell. This is just to show that you can turn 10,000 to 400,000, but we'll be taking profits before we hit that 400,000 to manage our risk. So I've put that there to show that this isn't me being ultra bullish. I mean, I am bullish on crypto, and I do think these prices are going to hit, but it's not too far away from their all-time highs before, or it is even below their all-time highs in some cases. And when we look at, for example, the last chart is when you break it down like this, when these coins hit their first buy price, for example, DOT has hit his buy price, $4.7 is what I wanted. Right now it's at 4.5. If you want to buy at that price, all you have to put in is £133 for now. I'm sure, I know not everyone can do it, so you can bring it down, and if you bring it down by a factor of 10, all you have to put in is £13, which is crazy, because it's £13 is not much to anyone right now. Once that 10x is, you can make this £400,000 if you put 10,000 in. So I've posted this in now. So maybe in 2-3 years time, some people can follow these trades and make the money with me. And people that haven't, they can look back and see I did post this. This was here available for people to see. I'm sure some people find this useful and some people won't bother. But the people that find it useful and take it into account, I'm sure will make a lot of money.
Okay. I think if anyone's got a question for Ali, by the way, please do come into the other chat, or you can call into Discord and you can put your question directly to him, or in the live chat, you can do that. If you want to actually go and see these images better than I'm able to display on the screen right now, here is the Discord link. It's free for anyone to go into Discord, but to see Ali Tisro's tips and these particular post, obviously if you want to rewind the video and zoom in, you can see it, but if you want to access and speak to Ali directly on Discord, then you need to be a YouTube member. So let me give you an invitation to join as a member, and because these are exclusive channels that you do not see as a regular Discord member, I have to upgrade you as a YouTube member for you to be able to see those channels. Now, Ali, the one question that I would imagine most people who are not into crypto will ask, they will say, because it's the camp that I'm in most of the time. I'm showing Amazon on screen right now. Amazon, obviously, we all know what Amazon is. It's a huge company. You know, we all know what Amazon is. I don't need me to explain it. But it's down now over the last year at 49%. So a similar story to a lot of crypto. You know, it's all the way down. It's half its price in a year. But we know that Amazon makes things, sells things, does things, whatever. We know that Amazon make a profit. So if I buy Amazon, you understand what it does, you understand what it is, and you think, okay, it's one of the biggest companies in the world, and it sends me my Christmas presents, or it's whatever other services that you get from Amazon. There are many. The shopping is just one part of it. And I think, okay, in 5 years from now, Amazon's going to be up. It's beaten up now because the overall market is down. I can understand that. I can see how Amazon can be worth more as a share price than what it is today. People have sold it for whatever reason, and I see it going up. So I've got some money, and I decided to spend $85 and buy a share of Amazon. However, some of my viewers are thinking, right, well, if I buy XRP, ADA, Ethereum, Doge, BTC, PLU, DOT, Link, Atom, whatever it might be, doesn't actually make any money. The only way it makes money or goes up in value is because somebody else buys it from me. So I'm hoping that everyone's going to buy it from me at some point so it goes up in value. That's all it does. Now, if I'm wrong and that's not the case, it does other things to go up in value. Ali, would you answer that question for me, if that's possible?
Yeah, I mean, obviously these aren't making money. You're not investing in a company here. You're investing in a token. So you do have to look at tokenomics, see what will push the price of these assets, these assets higher. For example, with XRP, it's a liquidity provider. When it's got its regulation, when more banks are using it, the price will go up just based on its utility. So these are utility-based tokens. But at the same time, with crypto, it's because it's such a small market cap entity. It's based on people's hype. When Bitcoin halves its supply, there's a supply shortage. And then along with the hype of everyone that's in these crypto assets and has foreseen these 4-year cycles, people will start getting it. Then they'll start getting it in the media. Then crypto influencers start pumping it. Then everyone starts buying it. And we want to be getting out at these tops when everyone's. You don't want to be the liquidity for these people to get out. We want to be selling before. So for the price to go up, it's more market sentiment and people FOMOing into these coins, and that's what most of the markets are normally about anyway. We don't need to see how much they're not making money; they're just tokens. So we want to get out when there is the hype around it.
So right. So on the basis then of what you've just said, you're looking to buy it because of shortage, because of desire, because of the fear of missing out, if you like. Everyone else is buying it, and then when it goes to a certain point, you're going to sell it. And then obviously someone's going to be left holding the bag. Now, we're not going to get into the whole moral of that, because that's if you were concerned about that, then you shouldn't be investing, period, in anything. All right, someone's always going to be holding the bag. That's their decision. That's how it works. Okay, but at the end of the day, we are relying on other people buying it from us, period, as opposed to the company returning a profit. So,
exactly.
So, essentially, is that investing or is that speculative gambling?
I guess it's a bit of both. I think it falls more under the speculative gambling, but is it really gambling when you've seen it happen so many times in the past, and you know when Bitcoin's going to halve, you know the dates, you know that.
Well, I've seen people in a casino get red and tell me that it was the best investment of their life and that they won on red. And now the casino is the best thing they ever did, and now I'm coming back every day until of course next time they'll lose all their money.
Yeah, but the casino, the odds aren't in your favor. Here, the odds are in your favor. You do know market the way people buy things, the way people FOMO into things. That's.
So now we've maybe touched on it. So what we're actually investing in, which is what I do a lot, is human psychology. We're investing on people feeling they need. So in a way, we're investing in a collectible. I don't know, where it might have been in the past a football card. It might have been a collectible piece. A piece of art. The Mona Lisa is only worth millions and millions of dollars because everybody wants to buy it from somebody else and pay more for it the next time round. Otherwise it's just a piece of, it's just a bit of paper with a bit of canvas and a bit of oil on it. At the end of the day, it doesn't make any money. It's just a collectible piece.
I mean, I think it's a different story for something like BTC, ETH, XRP, because I think they're here to stay and they're going to revolutionize the world. But I'm sure one of these cryptos in the list are also going to stick around for 15 years and be worth a hell of a lot more than now. But most of them, you can read all the white papers, you can do all your analysis on the company behind it and the tokenomics, but you're not going to be right. Some of them are going to end up not innovating anymore. But it doesn't matter. It's psychology. It's the people that know these tokens. It's the people that want to invest in these tokens. And I think it's a different story for something like Bitcoin, which is you have it's completely different to XRP and ETH, which ETH is going to revolutionize the internet. XRP is going to revolutionize the money industry, I believe. But the other ones, it's hard to tell what's actually going to change the world for the better. So it's a bit of both. It's different for the higher market cap ones and all these other coins. I'm not sure if they're going to be here in 15 years, but I am sure that human psychology, they've heard of these coins. These coins are doing. They seem to. I don't think these coins are scams, but I'm sure some of them will turn out to be projects that die. But for now, I think these coins I've chosen are going to be here next bull run, and they're going to make us a lot of money. Yeah, that's my answer to that.
Okay, that's fair and honest, and like it always is, I'm getting lots of comments in the chat, and unanimously, even from people that don't want to buy it, don't believe in crypto, think the whole thing's a con, it's a scam, it's a Ponzi, it's this, that, and the other, and that's fair enough. You're entitled to that thought. What I am reading is that people understand that you understand the technicals behind it, the fundamentals of it. So at the end of the day, guys, this is what I'm gonna leave you with, right? What you've got here on the screen is somebody who does understand it, someone who's got no real benefit to mentioning this other than just trying to support the show and offer his experience to you, which is basically all I do every day. These are the technicals and the plan, if you like, of how to get from A to B in what Ali's saying. So, of course, like he said, not everyone has got $10,000. Not everybody wants to invest $10,000. But if you were thinking that I quite like the idea of buying some crypto and getting on board with this, talking to Ali, you can talk to Ali all the time in Discord, you could look at this as a guide for you. And then you could use it from someone who has done the plan for themselves, who's had some success for themselves, and you could just divide this by 99 if you want, and literally do where it says 10,000, you can make that $10 if you want. So you don't have to spend $10,000. If you think that this could be interesting for you, the technicals, the research, the plan, the structure has been done for you. It's all there. All you've got to do is go, okay, I'm going to spend $10 and I'm going to just divide all this up and do it exactly the same, but for $10. Then maybe that would be interesting. And if you did do that, of course, it'd be interesting to see how everybody gets on, and whether you invest 10,000, $10 or 10 million, the percentage will be exactly the same, and then you will feel, then if it's successful for you, you will feel happy with that. I would suggest that would be the way forward. If anyone's thinking, okay, I'll have a little dip into this, then that's the way forward.
Yeah, exactly. Right? I've seen a couple of people have asked for the link for the spreadsheet. I will post that. This is it's not completed. Some of the numbers are wrong. For the all-time high versus what it's got to hit. So I'll refine it, and then I will post a link for people so they can directly change that 10,000 to whatever they want to put in, and then it will work it out for them exactly. And these buy prices I'm finding, they're not just random buy prices. As you know, I'm a technical analyst. I look at the charts. So these are high value zones I've put as buy prices. This isn't gambling. This isn't a red black situation where the odds are 48% you win. This is when you look at charts and you look at high value zones, the reason you look for them is so that the odds are in your favor. So it's a 60, 70, 80% chance that you are going to go higher from these points. So that's where the buy prices come in. And if anyone wants to see those charts and how I've calculated where the high value zones are, they can ask me on Discord, and I'll post a chart exactly why I've chosen that to be the first buy price, that to be the second buy price. I'm not sure where the bottom is. That's why I've spread it between three. We might not hit the last buy prices. We might go lower than the last buy prices. But either way, I've chosen these buy prices from technical analysis. I've just seen another person ask about Amazon. So let me just post. I thought this was quite interesting. If you just show the last thing I've posted on Ali Tizro Tips, this is just another way of how technical analysis work. This shows me when I was looking at Amazon maybe a year ago. It was showing a Wyckoff accumulation at the top. It broke it. It dropped down, 30%, went back and tested it exactly where it broke, and then it's followed through going down. So that's just a little snippet of. I just saw someone comment about Amazon, so I was showing. I think they asked where they would buy Amazon. I think $85 where it is now might be a sensible place to buy some more.
My comment to that, and I'd like to make a comment, it was just running out of time. My comment to that, you're right, this shows how a chart works, but let me just bring that up again. what for me, rather than saying that's how a chart works, I wonder if I can just move that around the screen a little bit. As you say, it touched the same point here. Rather than saying, well, look at that, the stock is alive, and this is what it does when it reaches this point. For me, I look at it I look at it the other way around. People are looking at these charts and they're behaving this way when it gets to that point. When they get to that point, they see it touch that price, it bounces around there for a little while, so they sell it. So what happens is it's a self what's the word I'm looking at? Self-prophesying prophecy, or whatever the phrase is. It's not the chart did anything or the stock did anything magical. What actually happened was people behaved because they saw it do what it did last time, so they were fearful and they sold it, so it went down again like it did last time because it got to that point and everyone thought, oh, it's not going to go any further, and they sell it. Does that not make sense? Does that not...
I mean, it makes it. I mean, you can look at it how you like. You can see that the top was a Wyckoff accumulation. That's been written about in books and technical analysis books for hundreds of years now. So it's either you can paint it how you like, but if it works, it works. So
absolutely. Look, listen, guys. If you want to get some more information, that's it. A self-fulfilling prophecy. Ed Nevius, thank you so much indeed. That was the phrase I was trying to get to. A self-fulfilling prophecy. Look, guys. At the end of the day, you've not got to understand the technical charts the way Ali Tisro clearly does. Okay, I only have him on my show because I know he knows what he's talking about. I feel very confident in Ali Tisro's opinions. They are his opinions. They are facts based on charts and technical analysis. That is a fact. But his beliefs are that he believes that crypto is here to stay, and the crypto assets that he's talking about are more likely to go up based upon these charts and technical analysis. So if you don't want to do your technical analysis, you've got no idea how it all works, you can go on a Discord. I'll leave the links below this video. I am actually going to put this out as an actual video. So if you are watching this video right now, we've had a guest on the show, Ali Tisro, one of our members, and he's predicted, or he's given you a path. If you invest $10,000, how to make $400,000. Remember, you can dilute that down to be whatever size you want, $1 to $40. It's entirely up to you. But this $400. Whatever you want to do, it's there for you. So if you don't understand it, but you'd like to learn more, you can talk to Ali directly on Discord. The links are below this video when it goes out. This is made during a live show. Ali was a live guest. We've literally run out of time, Ali. There's always never enough time talking to you. Ali, thank you for your time and the work you put in to present those charts.
Okay, no worries. Thanks, Martin. And hopefully we come back to this video in 3 years' time, and whoever's followed the trade has made a lot of money.
Exactly. I'm going to look at that myself, and I don't think I'm going to do it with $10,000, but I might just go through for a matter of following up this video in a year from now or 5 years from now. Actually build a portfolio where I have those assets, even if it's only a few bucks each one, but at the same percentage, the same prices, to see how we all pan out, and then go, oh my God, if only I spent 10 grand, I would be up 400, and we can have that conversation. Ali, as always, thank you very much for being on the show.
No worries. Thank you, Martin. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Ali Tisro. So there you go. All the information's there for you if you want to look into that. Sadly, we've come to the end of our show today, and we are literally out of time. We could do day trader of the day, and I could stick with you all here. And I'm actually inclined to do that. There's some action going on in the after hours. So I am thinking, and I'd like to get some reaction as well, if anybody wanted to call back in to sort of say what you feel about Ali Tisro's comments tonight and contribution to the show. So I think what we'll do, because we are literally over time now, I think what I want to do is give everybody, I'm going to stay with you and going to come back into the live show. Here is, but if you want me to stay online, you've got to do one thing for me. Here is tonight's premiere. It goes live in 1 minute. It's on the music channel. There it is in the chat. Go over there. I will join you there. And I will bring it up on the screen as well during the show. Here is my Christmas premiere tonight. It's Let It Snow. I want everyone to leave a comment, everyone to go in the live chat, everyone to smash the like button, and I will stay here on the show and we'll come right back. And if anybody wants to call in, we'll continue this discussion. So there is tonight's premiere. It goes live literally right now. Go over there and then come straight back. I will remain here for you. And let's get a record tonight on this video. Smash the like, leave a comment. It's Dean Martin's Let It Snow. It's my Christmas premiere tonight. And I will actually remain in the chat with you here. And I'll wait here for you to all return. Is that cool? Is that cool? All right. Is everybody going to do that? I hope you do it. All right. I hope you do it. And we'll follow up with all our shares, and we'll also open up, keep the Discord lounge open if anybody wants to call in and say what they think about Ali's presentation tonight, whether you believe it or not, whether you think it's good or not. All right? So there we go. There it is in the chat right now. I'm going to let it run there, and hopefully everybody's over there for me now. Okay, there we go. Let me put it up in the top screen over here so I can share it this way. There we go. And Martin, you look lovely in your red jacket. It's Christmas, of course. It's our Santa rally that never came. The Santa rally, how to lose your money, right? That's what it's all about. Okay, here we go. And we're going to have it running on the screen, and I'll be right back after everyone's watched that. Hi all. There we go. And enjoy that, a little break, and then we'll come back. There we go. Here come all the comments. Hi, guys. There we go. If you've just tuned in now and you're not watching, please go and do that, and then I'll come right back for an extended show. And while you're watching that, I will prepare what I'm going to do. 10,000 crypto or 10,000 Tesla. Come on, folks. You know I am more into Tesla Drillion, but we share all elements of investing here. And like I said to Ali, is it investing? Is it speculative gambling? I feel that I've given it a fair shot. I want that a jacket like that. You can get one. It's in my Amazon shop. It's in my Amazon shop. Okay. And if you want my Amazon shop, I will give it to you right now. If you are still with me, hopefully you're watching the premiere. Looks like I've still got people with me. They may have 2 tabs open. We're just running my Christmas premiere tonight. There it is. It's Dean Martin's Let It Snow from my TV studio behind me. This is Let It Snow. 667 today. Brand new account started today. You're up 667. That's very, very good. Thank you, everyone. People always say crypto is gambling until it becomes part of everyday life. People will always, hey, I'm only here giving my opinion and presenting my hard work. Hope it helps. There you go. That's a very, very fair comment there from Ali Tisro. Appreciate that very much. Ali is a great guy, great overall knowledge. However, crypto will burn investors. Well, it's made money for Ali. That's all I can say. Just going to give you now my Amazon shop, because you just said you'd like a jacket like mine. You can actually get one from my shop. It's your link to Amazon. Here is the Amazon shop. If you go to it, you will see it. This jacket in my shop. Okay, excellent stuff. Stephen Lewandowski's over there. Crag, please don't let it snow until I get rid of this flu. I like the comments that are coming in. Absolutely awesome stuff. And if you use the Amazon Prime link, by the way, Amazon link to Amazon, anything you buy on Amazon, I get a small commission. It doesn't cost you anything. And then my members, you have to be a member, a YouTube member, I actually give you back 50% of the commission I get as well. All right, it's for YouTube members. All right, there you go. I think the premiere has just finished. It looks like it's finished. Thank you ever so much, everybody who watched that. Let's see if we got any comments below the video. Let me refresh this now. Here we go. There we go. Yes, indeed, says Churchy. Thank you very much indeed. What was he replying to? Best Christmas in the world. Best Christmas song ever. Yes, indeed. There you go. Thank you, Churchy. You're an affiliate, Martin. Yes, I am an affiliate. But unlike other affiliates, they get money for themselves. I get money to give you back 50%, okay? I am here to help people, but it's for members only. Please, folks, be careful with crypto. Yes, 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 absolutely, of course. Always responsible investing. Right, let's come back now to the show. Let's see who comes back in. And got a message from Tom. Can't get server stats sorted as bot is developing mode, but get the channels, but got the 2 channels fit. Okay, let's have a little look. Did that work tonight? Martyn Lucas, it should have gone YouTube Premiere, YouTube Live. There we go. Okay, we're back again. All right, is everybody back? Drilling Demarge, be careful with all assets. Absolutely right. I have done it for 5 years. I was only small investor. Not anymore though. He was. I'm still here, DW. Martyn Lucas, I also thought the same thing, giving back some of my kickbacks to give even higher incentive to the buyer to purchase. I like Martin, same thought as me. Absolutely, just help people. I'm not even, it's just about helping people, really. I shared your post, but didn't come up. Anyway, nice song. I tried your post, but didn't come up. Anyway, nice song. I tried your post, but didn't come up. What does that mean? Oops, I'm now 50-50 stocks crypto. Thanks, Ali. Ali. Andrew Grady has decided to get involved in that. I don't see the jacket in the link. You don't see the jacket in the link. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Let me just to comment. Hang on a minute. Let me look at Privet a second. Wanted to let me answer your question first of all. Let's have a look. There's the Amazon shop. There we go. Let me show you. I'm sure it's there. It says. There we go. Gifts for Christmas, clothes I wear. Let's have a look. Yes, there it is. Yeah, that's the link I gave you. Clothes I wear in the studio, and there's a jacket. Just click on it and go to a different color. Look, there it is. There's my jacket. What do you mean it's not in the chat? What's that then? What's that? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's right there. There's the jacket. So you just go to the shop, like the shop link I gave you, and then look in clothes I wear in the studio category, and there is the blue one, and then you can go, I've got all these colors, but anyway, there you go. It does work. I knew it did. Right. I see it now. There you go. And if you use that to go on to Amazon, you buy anything, you get a 50% back of the commission I get. But it's only for YouTube members. I don't do it for everybody. Otherwise, I'll be running around chasing people and it'd be like crazy, right? Anyway. There you go. Let's go back to our portfolio. I said I would stick back with you. And thank you ever so much, everybody who watched my premiere tonight. Thank you, yes, very much indeed. Same with any stock. Yes, it is. Ah, there we go. I want to share these comments. We've got Bill. Bill says, cool. I will be there. Tax appointment 1 p.m. Tuesday. There you go. Good luck with that tax appointment. I'm going to give you the Christmas playlist, so if you want to get the whole thing, you can. There you go. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, everybody. Good stuff. Anyone want? Right, so let me go back to the broadcast lounge now. Does anybody want to call in? I'm going to give you the Discord link. If you want to call in... If you want to call in and have your say to what Ali Tisro has just said, then here is the Discord. You need to be a YouTube member, of course. If you're not a YouTube member, you can't, and all the rest of it. But if you are, then you can call in. Made using the finest polyester, says 22. Yeah. 5.32. So we'll do day trader of the day in a second. Oh, hang on. Your order to sell shares wasn't filled today and has expired. Okay, I need to do that. I need to trim off. Indeed. Right, okay. Just checking my... this is what I'm looking at right now. It says my my Virgin Galactic share that I wanted to sell hasn't sold. So I will reset that order. Made using the finest polyester. I think that's quite funny. It's absolutely true, though. I love the crypto idea. However, it's virtual, folks, backed by nothing, says Drillian Damage. Maybe you want to call in or have your say. Love you to share your thoughts. Virgin Galactic is up 0.13 in the after hours. I'm looking to buy at $3.50, but I am looking forward to selling at $4 as well, trimming off. Martin, may I ask, what is the percentage kickback when you are an Amazon affiliate? When you are an Amazon affiliate, every product is different. Some product I might earn 0.5%, 1%, up to 5-6%. It depends on the product, I guess, to do with the profits they make on the product. And then I give 50% back to my members once you buy something. I can confirm what you've bought. I can share on the screen so there's no doubt what you've bought. And yeah, absolutely. That's how that works. Tesla has go back up again. We're green on the after hours. That looks good. Rivian, I'm trying to buy one at 2021. Lucid, try to buy at 7. Arrival, 20 cents a share now. Gosh, how low can it go? 20 cents a share. Amazon, 84. I bought at 85 today. Apple, trying to buy at 130. Robinhood. McDonald's. Coca-Cola is green again today. J&J, pretty much it's green in the after hours. Google is down in the after hours. I've got orders to buy there. Meta, I sold my Meta, as you all know. I made 6.5% profit. Looking to buy it back under $100 and do it again. SoFi is up on the after hours. I'm still down 23%. IonQ is also up. Ali Tisro. Yes, will do. Got a comment there from Ali in the Ali Tisro tips. Where was we? Walmart is up again. I've sold my position of Walmart today. Took some profits. Looking for it to go back down again. Target. I'm looking because I think after January things won't be so good for Walmart. So I've taken my profits out. On. Tilray. Up after hours. 298. Enphase Energy. Up today. Down in the after hours though. SV up 3%, BTC down 0.5%, and Ethereum is flat right now. Okay, I think it's time for Day Trader of the Day. We'll wrap up today's show. Once again, I will give this link to everyone. You can, if you want to help me and you want to help yourself, it's completely free. Here is my Amazon link. I'm an affiliate for Amazon. All this means is if you use my link to go onto Amazon and then you buy anything on Amazon, doesn't matter whether you buy something from my shop or something from Amazon, I may earn a small commission. Most of the time I do, and I will share with you on the screen. It's for members only, and I will give you 50% back of what I get. So it's free money. Sometimes it's 5-6%. So you'll earn 2.5% cash back on something, plus whatever cashback credit card you use. It's free money, but it is for members only. There it is in the link in the chat. It could be a lot worse, says Privet. You're absolutely right. Do we include crypto in Day Trader of the Day? Overall portfolios, not individual trades, no, because you can be up 1,000% on Binky Bonk coin, and that would not count. So no, it's overall portfolio only, please. All right, I think we'll wrap it up there. Oh, hang on a minute. I've got a couple of comments, Christmas comments to share. Thank you so much indeed. What a magic song, perfectly sang in the Christmas mood, says Paddy. Thank you very much indeed. Love that. You're a phenomenal man, a true professional. Merry Christmas. Thank you very much for that as well. Thank you. Really appreciate that, guys. Right, we'll do Day Trader of the Day, and we will run a quick commercial break, and then we'll be right back, okay? So let's just get ready for that. I just want to thank you, Paddy and Mario, for your comments there. Appreciate it. And I've also given you the link for the full playlist for the entire Christmas series. If you've missed any of the Advent calendars and any of the evening premieres, there we go. I think everybody's in, right? There we go. That's done. Okay, let's do Day Trader of the Day, but first of all, let's bring up to date with a quick commercial break. We've got 40 watching and 32 likes. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, let Humpty Dumpty coin. I know, I'm going to bring out the Humpty Dumpty coin. You have to laugh though, Ali. You have to laugh. Binky bonk, donkey dink. I would like the Humpty Dumpty coin. I really would love it. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Wouldn't that be brilliant? I would like it. I would like Humpty Dumpty coin. Do you have a YouTube channel for your technical analysis? Well, no, he doesn't. It's all in our Discord. Privet, is the Discord for you again? It's free. You don't, it's free to get into Discord. If you want to be a YouTube member, you can speak to Ali and you can see all his tips. There it is. And here's the invitation to join as well. You get 20 times back what you put in. That's why our membership program is used by 95% of our live viewers. I'm a dev on Humpty Dumpty coin. Send 500 and I'll send you back 1 million. Where did that comment go? Yeah, Andrew Grady. I like that. Martin, do you want to quickly share my stock TA for Donkey? Yes, has Donkey requested something? Yes. Donkey request. Yes, more than happy to. Ali, do you want to call in and explain what this is? Do you want to explain what this is? And it's always better if you put words to it. And we can share it on the screen. So we'll do that right after this quick commercial break. We'll see if we get Ali in. Done a technical analysis for Donkey. How cool is that? Best YouTube channel in the world, right? Best YouTube channel in the world. Right, let's go. I'll be right back in 10 seconds after this quick commercial break. Here we go. No, I don't mind you calling in, Ali, at all. No time. Okay, I'll just share it. That's all right. I'm a member in the Discord, but do I have access to everything? No. No, you don't. You have to be a YouTube member to call in to have all the access to all the other stuff. Yes, you need to be a YouTube member. It's only a couple of bucks a month, and if you can't make a couple of bucks a month on all the things that we give you, something is very wrong. Something is very wrong. You need to be a YouTube member. That's right. I'll be the CFO of Humpty Dumpty Coin. Humpty Dumpty. I love it. Okay, here we go. This is for Donkey. Let me share this information then, okay? Donkey had a request. One of our members on YouTube, and Donkey said. DVN looking okay. Maybe add at $52 with a stop loss of a stop loss below 50, as you will probably fall a lot lower if it breaks. I think you will be in the range between $50 and $80. Here is for Donkey. So Donkey, this is for you. You asked for it. You're going to get it. Here you go. There you go. And of course, that is in Discord. So if you want to go and check out further details, then you can. All right. I'm the CFO. You make the tea. Brilliant. There you go. That's for Donkey. Devon Energy Corporation. He's done you a chart. Look at that. Fantastic. And he's shared with you where he feels the stock is likely to go based upon technical analysis. All right. How good is that? What more do you want? Okay. I think it's time to wrap up the show. I think we're good. Is everybody happy? Let me check. Any more comments? No, we're all good there. Here's a quick rundown of where we ended up the day. As you can see, we got Dow Jones down 0.49, S&P down 0.9. The Nasdaq is down 1.49. There you go. A tough day for everyone. But if you found the discounts and you bought them and made a little bit of a profit, you just keep doing it until eventually the markets turn around and you'll be in and you'll be ready. That's really all you can do at this stage, isn't it? Let's do day trader of the day. All right. Okay. Oh, my God. Could I be any worse? Yes, I could. Down 5.29%. There's my position on the screen for you. When the first person starts to post, we will... Donkey, you're very, very welcome. Thanks for being a member of our channel. You ready? Let's put the scores on the doors. All right, here we go. Put a 1 minute on the clock. Stephen Lewandowski is down 4.4. I wish I had 10 quid for Big River. Yeah. 7.09 ended today. Is that up? Is that up? I'm sure that's up. Do you mean up? Down 5.29, there's me. Down 4.02, down 4.4. Ed Nevius, is that down? Down 4%, Ali Tisro. Normally Ali Tisro's up. There you go. We've seen a down day on Ali Tisro. Down 1.92, Donkey down 2.42. Down Bootsy is down 0.6. Yes, Ed Nevius down 3.8. Andrew Grady. Will share in tips. There you go. There you go. It looks like. Let me end that a minute. It looks like the winner tonight, without a doubt, is 7.09. Absolutely awesome stuff. Thank you, Ed Nevius. What a great score that is. Let's go through. Posted one more chart for BTC in Greenroom. If I can explain for 1 minute, yes, you can. I will go in. Ed Nevius. Let's thank him on the screen. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a big thumbs up and give him the sound effects. There we go. Nice one, Ed Nevius. Very, very good score indeed. Yay, Ed. Awesome stuff. Everyone congratulate Ed Nevius. There we go. I'm down. I'm just not looking anymore. Yeah, it's just, I mean, it's just, it's a down year. What can I say? What can we say? Just keep surviving, keep preparing, keep lowering averages, keep getting cheaper stocks, trim off the top. That's all you can really do. That's what I've been doing all year long. I am getting tired of it, but it's hard. Managed to join the Discord page, I think. Bootsy. Okay. If you become a YouTube member, I can upgrade you so you can, if you then can talk to all you can see all the top tips, because as a Discord member, you can only see so many channels. You see quite a bit, but you can't see everything. Anti-Santi rally. Yeah, anti-Santi Santa rally. Yeah, well, forget anti-matter. This is the anti-Santa. Anti-Santa. There is the invitation to join should you wish to be a YouTube member. And then I can upgrade you. If anyone is on Discord that is not able to see everything, tell me and I will gladly bring you in and upgrade your account. Right, we are looking at a Bitcoin chart here. So let's get ready to do it. Let's do a special interview again with Ali Tisro. Always love having you on the show. Ali, you can call me anytime you want, mate. Always love having you on the show. So I've unmuted you. So let me get ready for this one. And we've got a BTC chart. Okay, so let me do this now so I can put this out as a video right now. Let me just go over to... how should I do this one? I'll zoom in a minute. And I will prepare that there. Okay, zoom a bit more. There you go. Okay. Welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Live on Discord now, I've got one of our members, Ali Tisro, who is our crypto expert. He's the guy who does all our technical analysis and does great charts for all our members. And we've actually got him live on the line. This video is made during a live broadcast, and Ali Tisro is calling in with his Bitcoin chart on the screen. Ali Tisro, how are you?
Hello, Martyn. I'm doing well. Thanks for having me on.
Absolutely. So what have you got on the screen for us right now? This is a chart you've just done. If you'd like to talk us through it so we can share it with our viewers.
It's not actually a chart I've just done. This is a chart I did over about a year ago now.
Okay, I apologize.
No, that's fine. I remember posting this in our Discord channel maybe 230 days ago. Or maybe even longer, somewhere around between a year and 270 days ago. I've just posted it again, just for all the haters out there who say TA doesn't do anything, or crypto is going to zero, or we don't know where crypto is going, or Ali Tisro's tips are terrible. This is a chart I posted a long time ago.
Hey Ali, if you're gonna be online, mate, welcome to my world. Welcome to the world of abuse. It's a wonderful world where you go online and everyone abuses you. So there you go. Welcome to it, mate.
It's fine, but I was just quickly going to show. This is Bitcoin over a few years. We can see the blow off top around 69,420, and then I did this chart around the time of the all-time high because we had a big sell-off, and the one thing I want to draw your attention to is the way it says resistance sell. I sold every single crypto holding I had at that point. It was there for maybe a week or two at just above 45,000. Some may say that's a big drop, 69 to 45,000. That's over 20% drop, but that's where I took all my profits. There's some support 1, support 2, support 3. Those I wasn't anticipating showing this to anyone, so that was just for my own accord. Those supports didn't mean buy. They were just areas I was looking at to see, are we going to stay there for a while? Are we going to come back? Or are we going to blow right through them? And we blew right through the first two. We sat at the third one for a little while, and we're blowing that. So I don't want anyone to think I was saying buy at support one, support two, support three. The only place I have put buy is my all in position, which I've put at 12,000. But in reality, I'm not going all in there. I'm putting, let's say, 80-70% of my portfolio there, and holding anything else if it capitulate any lower. But this is a chart I did over a year ago, so I haven't refined it at all. Someone can probably find it somewhere in the Discord from when I did post it, and I had this from even before when I posted. So I was just putting that chart out there. It is still in play. I still see 12k coming, and when that 12k, 13k comes in, I'll be buying a lot of Bitcoin. So I just thought I'd call in and quickly explain that, because I didn't want anyone to get the wrong end of the stick for that chart.
Perfect. Perfect. Ali, thanks for calling in again. There's Ali Tisro, and that's what he's provided there for you. If you want more information from Ali and you want to be able to talk to Ali, get more technical analysis like this, if you look below this video, you will actually see a link to our Discord. It's free to join our Discord. However, Ali Tisro's tips, and to be able to talk to Ali directly, you do need to be a YouTube member. And that link is also below the video in the description as well. For a couple of bucks a month, you can be a member. We've built a membership plan, which I believe is, and it's why 95% of our live viewers are members with the highest engagement rate on YouTube. Mr. Beast is about 8 to 9%, to give you an idea of how good our membership program is. It's there to benefit you and to support the live shows. I'm live up to 10 hours a day. If you like this video and you like everything that we do here, join us every day and be part of our show, of our family. Click subscribe and ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. And we're live up to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday, all trading days. And we hope you'll join us. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. There we go. That's a little video that will go out for Ali Tisro's chart there. Fantastic. Let me just read some more comments as we come to the end. We've done our day trader of the day. What is the biggest loser in your portfolio? Is there something dragging it more than others? Really?
Hello?
Oh, Ali, you still there?
No, I'm still here. Sorry, just one more
That's all
comment
right.
before I didn't want to interrupt your video.
Not at all.
This portfolio, I just want to reiterate, because I don't think I made it clear. The portfolio I've shared with everyone, and which I'll be posting again in the sheets for anyone to change. This is one of my more risky portfolios. This is not a simple Bitcoin ETH portfolio, which is less risky. This is something that can be life changing. This is turning 5,000 into 200,000. This is turning 10,000 to 400,000. This is turning 1,000 into 40,000. This is a life changing portfolio. There is
which
the
one
other
is this?
strategy where people.
What are you
This
referring?
is the one I shared earlier, the 10,000 to 400,000.
Oh, okay.
I don't want anyone to think I'm not a believer of Bitcoin, because I haven't really put Bitcoin in that portfolio. But this is a portfolio which can, for the small people out, because Bitcoin has already had its run. Yeah, I'm sure it'll go up much further. But this is a portfolio that I've put out there for people with less amount of money to be able to have a chance to turn it into a much larger portfolio. So
This one here, the one I've got on the screen now.
Let me see. 2 seconds. Yes, the one there, that portfolio.
Okay.
It's a riskier portfolio, but this is how to make life-changing money. I have nothing to gain for this. I'm not paid by any of these coins. This is a lot of years of work going into it. At the same time, if anyone wants a safer portfolio, they can buy Bitcoin at 12,000 a hold as 1-3% of their portfolio. This is for the people that want to make a change and take a risk and see if it pays off. I just wanted to make that clear to everyone. I'm not a Bitcoin bear. So that chart I just showed about Bitcoin, that is a good price to be buying Bitcoin, 12,000 in my opinion.
Okay. Thank you, Ali, for that.
Thank you for having me again.
Not at all. Always appreciate it. Thank you, Ali. There you go. So that's what, and it's important for our channel that everyone has the chance to explain what they mean and what, because We're not sponsored by anyone. I don't receive any money to promote anything. Ali isn't. No one on my show that I have any knowledge of is here paid by anyone to sell or promote anything. That's not what we're doing. I'm here to share with you my life experiences, my real trades, my real money, purely because I want to build a community, a family. That's my reward. I know that sounds as cheesy as you like, but I don't care. My biggest aim is to grow a YouTube channel where I am proud that every day I get up in the morning, I put my suit and tie on, and I get in my studio, and I can't wait to be here with my family, and my online family, and I absolutely love it. Right, we've got a new member, just become a new member. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in the chat? That is Bootsy has just become a bronze member. So Bootsy, if you go over to Discord right now, I will upgrade your account. So here is Discord. You are now a YouTube member. I can upgrade you. There you go. There is Discord. Come into Discord now and come into the welcome all screen. You will see it. Bootsy, let me see you. Right, is this you? I'm going to ask you now to confirm that's you. I know that looks obvious, but people will pretend to be you. They do all the time. Is that you in the chat? And all you got to do is say, yes, that is me. And I'm sure it is, but I just want to make absolutely sure. We've got the same nickname, which is good. So everybody will now know who you are. Yep, that is you. Great. I will now give you the role of YouTube member. You can see now I'm doing it, your roles, and you are now a member. Okay. There you go. You are now a member of the channel, just like our other members are. Let me show you how I've done that. So I can look at mine and do the same thing. I'm just checking that a minute. And the roles are member. I've just realized I haven't given myself the membership role. I don't need to, do I? Anyway, and who else have we got here? Stephen Lewandowski, the same thing, roles, member. Yep, there you go. So you can now see all the channels. Discord is very complicated. Let me just explain it very, very briefly. It's a server for this show. All right, I've got two servers. I've got the Martyn Lucas Music one, and I've got the Investor Channel. Up the top here are all these are the servers. On the left hand side, these are the servers. This is the Martyn Lucas Investor server, and this is the Martyn Lucas Music server, right? You are now in the Martyn Lucas Investor server. And what you've got here is all the way down the side, the public channels. These are channels that everybody can see. Welcome all, my stock tips, YouTube Live, YouTube Premiere, YouTube Show News, my NFTs, stuff like that. Scam alert when someone pretends to be me. Every day someone pretends to be me. Be very, very careful on YouTube. Sorry, on Discord. I will never ever message you, never try to sell you anything, but lots of people will pretend to be me, and every now and again I see them pop up and I delete them, but by that point they've already messaged you. Remember, people can message you outside of Discord. They're not on my server, they're just messaging you, pretending to be me. They're not me, and how you can tell it's me, first of all, I never message you, right? But also I'm in gold because I am a YouTube member. Sorry, I am the owner of this channel. Also, if you right click on my name and look at roles, I am the owner. I am an owner on this channel. Someone messaging you on this server isn't going to be an owner of this channel, are they? All right, I'm the only one. Okay, and I never message you anyway. Right, so you can now scroll down and you see all the public channels. You'll now see all the exclusive channels as well. The general chit chat, the Discord, stock news, crypto news, ask the family, suggestions, different servers for different subjects. Our YouTube members, our silver members and upwards, have their own channels. If you're silver or gold, you can have your own channel. And this is where I ask the YouTube members who are on Discord to keep your content in your channel. For example, this is Bill. He's got Bentley the dog. This is Ali Tisro. Now, if Ali Tisro wants to promote a YouTube channel or a business or whatever it is, he puts them in here. He doesn't put it in general chit chat. General chit chat is for general chit chat. All the members just talking about whatever. It's not a promotional platform for you to promote your business or whatever. If you're a silver member or gold member, you can do that in your channel, because you can actually ring a bell for each channel. See, look, I've just gone onto Ali Tisro's channel, and I've got notifications. All messages, only when I get mentioned, or nothing. You might decide, I don't want to hear about Ali Tisro's tips. All I want to hear about is when Martyn Lucas is going live, right? Or when a premiere comes out. So you right click on it, scroll down, and you can go, all right, notification. I want to know when Martyn goes live, and I want to ring the bell. You see that? That's how it works. So you can hear just the things that you want to hear. And lastly, at the bottom of the channel of the server, you can see the in broadcast. That's how Ali Tisro calls in. He calls in, he goes into the broadcast lounge, and I bring him into the show. And he calls in and has his say. You can do that on video or just voice, like Ali does. He does it on voice, but you can call in on a video as well. So that's how it all works. Okay? There's a little explanation of how Discord works. It's a very, very good service in addition to our main show here on YouTube. All right? Okay, end of the day, the relief you get when they stop hitting you in the head with a hammer. Nevertheless, great job today, learning a lot. Dunkey, thank you very much. What ledger do you have, Martyn? Is it the S or X? It is the hang on, it is the what is it? It is the Nano X. Here is my... Why'd you ask, Ali? There's my ledger. Ledger Nano X. That's mine. That's where my crypto sits. A Nano X. I hope to broadcast Vorb if it ever takes off. Yes, I would love you to call in. Wouldn't that be great? Bootsy, thanks for the breakdown. Absolutely. Now then, as a YouTube member, oh nice, Bluetooth enabled. Yes, Bluetooth's enabled. Yep. Absolutely. Bootsy, as a YouTube member now, not only do you get Discord, but also you can ask me to do a poll. You can do a question in the live chat. You can also ask me to review a stock, and I will review it. And I will bring it up on the screen and make a video on it. I'll promote it. I'll even buy it. Like today, I bought Coinbase because of Ali Tisro. You can do that. Also, I will reply to all your comments. I will answer all your questions. If you comment below any of my videos on YouTube, I will comment back to you. You also get member exclusive videos. Now you're a member, go to the homepage of the channel, look down here, member only videos. You can now see these for the very first time. Our Space After Hours party, our trip to the UK, our private party we had with the Day Trader Convention. You can see me at the airport going to England, all this other stuff. The untold story about when we had a very unpleasant situation on our channel. The untold story, you can watch that. You can see all the members only videos. Also, there are live videos that are only for members. Members only live chats. Many perks and benefits you get as a member. And also you can have discounts in the shop, and you can also have a celebration of your birthday the day before, the day of, or the day after your birthday. For you or a loved one in your family will celebrate, and you get to keep the video for yourself as well. Let me read this a minute. Tilray bill is officially out of the bill. They say until 2024. Tilray bill has officially out of the bill. They say until 2024. Tilray removed from bill. We have to wait until hang on a minute. You're saying 24, 23. What is it? Just want to be clear. Tilray removed from bill. That's why the price has gone down, right? And it's gone up in the after hours. So we've had the reaction. Now, what normally happens is we know good things are coming to Tilray. What's happened now is, if that's correct, as I understand, you get the reaction where people then sell it on the news. And then what we get is it buys back because it's been oversold. We will have to have a private meeting at some point soon. When are you free? I'm free every day between the opening and closing. Tomorrow I'm free. Tomorrow I'm free. After the closing bell, after the opening bell, after about half an hour after the straight after the opening bell tomorrow, for an hour or so, I'm free there. We can do that, Ali. Yes, 2023. Yes. Tilray removed from bill. We have to wait until 2023. Okay, thank you. I will never forget Martyn and the whole family being here for me when I needed someone. We will never forget. We'll always. I'm here all the time. And as is everybody. You're very welcome, Ed. I got buys at 251. 251. Well, my all-time low on this was 319. So it's $3 now. For me, it's not low enough to buy anymore. I'm going to leave it, see if we get a bigger reaction in the morning, and perhaps I will do that at 250. I'm right with you, Andrew, and then I will sell those at 3 to get some money out to lower my averages. Are you free in 45 minutes? Not today. I'm not. No, but I can be tomorrow night at this time, but not tonight. I've got things already planned, if that's all right, Ali. AMC rallied to $10, says Liverpool. I think we're going to knock that on the head then. I think. Thank you ever so much, everybody who... Oh, by the way. No, actually, that doesn't matter. I was just thinking out loud. I've got a comment here from A.L. Drummer. One of the best songs of all time. So nice to feel the Christmas spirit and imagine yourself with your family in front of a lovely fireplace. Wonderful interpretation, Martyn. You're very, very welcome. Happy holidays to you. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you for that lovely comment. There you go. All right. I think we'll wrap it up then for now. Let me just reply to that. Give you the... reply. Whoops, a daisy. Reply. Why can I not do that? Okay, not to worry. Okay, good. That's it then. I think we'll wrap it up there. How many people are with us right now? Love you, Ed. Andrew Grady. Yes, does a great job. Does Ed Nevius. All right, folks. That's it. I'm off. I'll be back in the morning. Of course, this is our Christmas. This is our Christmas week. That's why I'm in the Christmas jacket. It's supposed to be a Santa rally. The Santa rally got obviously scrapped and cancelled. I want to thank everybody over on TikTok. We've got over 100 people watching. I love the Star Network app. The Star Network app. What is that? Someone just commented in the chat. I have no idea what that means. Love right back. Okay, guys. That's it. Are we all good? Okay. Now, over the next few days, it's going to get extremely cold here in Texas. We're expecting minus 10, 15, or even 20 degrees centigrade. It's going to get extremely cold here in Texas. And I've got my backup power. We had power outages last time. This happened. We had this happen before a couple of years ago. So hopefully that won't happen again. But anyway, that's it from me. Any more comments before I go? I think we're all done. I think we're good. Right. That's it. Someone say roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Move back to Cornwall. Yeah, bloody right. Bloody right too. That's it from me. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. I'll see you all back in the morning. Thanks to all our contributors tonight. Thanks to everyone. I'm looking forward to seeing who gets their gold badge first. I've got my gold badge. You go blue, you go green, you go yellow, gold, and then red. Okay, good stuff. But in the meantime, it's time to roll the credits. I'll see you all back in the morning. Have a wonderful evening. Let's see who took part in tonight's show. Did you do a super chat? Did you become a member? Let's have a look. Stars of tonight's show. Roll them bloody credits. Market Profit did a super chat. Ali Tisro also did a super chat. I got some coffee tonight. Bootsy became a member. Bootsy187. Bootsy, where are you from in the world? Put your city and country, Bootsy. Everybody else do the same. Bootsy, you still here? Yes, you are. Put your city and country where you're from. The government's going to regulate those ledgers to watch. Take care, Martin, and each other. Weymouth. Yeah, that's right. Remember I said to you I did the Weymouth Pavilions theatre show, one night in Vegas for several summers in a row. Wonderful place. Coinbase to $400. I bought some Coinbase tonight. This was paid for, well, about 40% of it was paid for by Ali Tisro. And there it is. I bought some Coinbase tonight. I'm down 14 cents at the moment, but that's okay. I bought it with my 1% for free. It's in my Roth IRA because I'm going to hold that. If I'm going to buy that, I'm going to hold it forever. That's what that's all about. So there you go. I went to Strip Joint. Ed Nevius has just given me a super chat. Unfortunately, you've missed the credits. Panto and the at the Pavy on Friday. Sleeping Beauty. Lovely. Right, that's it from me. Thanks ever so much for being here. Ed Nevius, you missed the credits. Still owe you a big one, said Ed Nevius. That's very kind of you. Every penny helps to keep this channel alive. Restart the credits. I'll do it quick. All right, quick. Roll the credits. I've got 10 seconds. Am I going to do it? All right, that's it. It should come up now. Take care of yourselves and each other. There he is on the screen. Perfect timing. What a professional.